All right, boys, we are at Loch Raven Reservoir in a rented boat. By myself today. See if we can't catch a few. I'm gonna be probably pitching and flipping in the brush. Throwing some frogs. There ain't a whole lot, there ain't no grass grown yet, but I might try to pitch some frogs around. We'll see. I got enough rods with me. I got 8 rods. One of them's a pan fishing rod though. So we'll see what happens. Oh my God. That was horrible. I'm trying to pitch around a Z-Man Pro Crawl. It's a 4-inch or 3 3/4 inch crawfish. Pretty chilly out here, but it's supposed to be 75 degrees today and sunny. But there is supposed to be some pretty good wind this afternoon. Like 18 miles an hour. 15 to 25, something like that. Got my coat on right now. A little chilly out here. This is in the Drew's Crawl color. Oh, I like this color. Get the skunk out the boat. On the ChatterBait. Didn't even have the camera rolling. Little 1/2 pounder. But that's a start. That's a start. Worms in the roof of his mouth. I don't know why they all have that, but get on that little brush pile there. I didn't even really feel him. I almost thought I was snagged, like I was caught up on something. But then I felt it moving. ChatterBait been working for me lately. In this threadfin shag color. This is a ChatterBait custom. I think it's a 1/4 ounce or 3/8 4-aught hook. Smaller hook a little bit. Original ChatterBait has a 5-aught hook. I believe this is 1/4 ounce. I don't know. They just come out with these ChatterBait customs, I think the same time as the Evo Elite or whatever, which is the more popular one. But the ChatterBait custom comes in all, oh, there's something. I had to bump something. All different weights and size hooks, or not different, but 4 or 5-aught hooks you can choose from. Most all ChatterBaits have 5-aught hooks, unless it's a mini. Oh, there went a fish. I seen him. Maybe we're finding the pattern with the ChatterBait. I seen that one. Don't know what it was though. Almost looked like a pickerel. Must have followed it out of that same brush pile that bass was in. He ain't gonna hit it again though. He ain't gonna hit it again. But that's good. We're finding some fish. Finding some fish. I'm throwing the bang stick in there. Maybe he'll pick it up. Maybe not. It might just be wanting moving baits. I don't know. Still trying to figure it out today. The ChatterBait, 2 bites so far. It's only like 8 o'clock in the morning. Still looking for my first topwater fish of the year. I had a few frog bites, but damn snakehead broke me off, cut me off with his teeth, and then a pickerel cut me off with his teeth. So I've had a few blow ups on frogs already this year, but just they cut me off. Or they missed it. Finally got another one, boys. Feels like a decent one. Oh, it's a big pickerel. Big pickerel. Holy shit. Big pickerel. No. Big pickerel. Wow. Frickin' snot racket. Get him on some grippers. These things are feisty. I'm probably a 3-pound pickerel. Come here, dude. Come here, dude. Oh my goodness gracious. Alright, we got him. Good sized pickerel right there. Probably a 3-pounder, I'd say. Come on, man. Freaking snap racket. Can I get a thumbnail, dude? In case I don't catch a nice bass. He don't want me to touch him. Okay. On my hand, look at that. Nasty. Get rid of them. Go ahead, buddy. That's a pretty big pickerel right there. I've caught them bigger. I think my biggest pickerel ever is 4 pounds. That one was probably 3. That's a good pickerel. Something, it ain't too big. Little pickerel. Oh, say hello to the boat, buddy. Little fella, real little fella. Yeah. Well, they're just wanting ChatterBait today. On a mini ChatterBait, 1/4 ounce. That's flat out all it is to it. Oh, there's slime on my hands still. That's flat out all there is to it. They just want a ChatterBait. Put on the small one. Well, I grabbed the small ChatterBait because there's crappie in here. So I don't know about right now, but they come in here. I caught a 14-inch crappie in here 2 days ago. So And that was on a full-size ChatterBait, believe it or not. So I figured, just in case there is crappie in here, this small 1/4 ounce mini ChatterBait has a 2-eye hook. It'd be easier for them to get it in their mouth if they do bite it. Got a little bass. Little male. Little 1-pounder or so. Healthy little fish. He's up on the bank. I'll take him. I ain't found no giants yet, but I'll take them. It's windy as heck. I'm not seeing much bait at all. I don't know where the bait's at. Another little guy. It's all little guys today. But I'll take them. He came out of nowhere. Oh, something got to him at one point. That looks fresh. Whoa, something tried to eat him. Look, it's on both sides. Holy shit. What tried to eat this big bait? I mean, not big, but for... This ain't no bait fish. It was a 12-inch bass. 12, 13-inch bass. What the hell tried to eat this guy? What tried to eat you, buddy? Tell me. Where's he at? He's all beat up. There. Something tried to eat this guy for real. Could have been a big pickerel or a big snakehead. Wow, that's crazy. This is a 12-inch bass. Go ahead, buddy. Stay away from them other big predators with teeth. I want to keep the camera rolling, but it's just, I mean, I'm catching fish, but I'm making a lot of casts to catch these fish. And all of them are biting the ChatterBait. I've only gotten 6 bites all day. I caught 5 of them. They're in stuff like that. Not in the back of the coves. They're like off to the side right there. They just come out of nowhere. I'll take what I can get today. As y'all can see, it's a little sketchy out here on a john boat with a little cheesy motor, electric motor. I mean, jeez, I might flip. I ain't even joking. I'm trying to stay like in line with the waves, but it feels like I'm on the bay in the john boat. It's crazy. It's a beautiful day, but the wind is just effing it all up. I'm trying to get over there to that cove that might be blocking the wind, but I'm afraid to cut it. Look, there's legitimate waves out here. Every time I try to cut it, I feel like I'm gonna flip. I caught 5 fish before this wind turned on like this, but this wind just messed up the fishing completely. I'm gonna have to cut it at some point. I can't run into the land. Might have to cut it straight across into the waves and then go down. That's probably what I might have to do. Oh my goodness, this is sketchy. Super sketchy. I don't know about that. Holy shit, that's sketchy. Good grief. If I flip this thing, I lose all my gear. I don't care about getting wet. I can swim. The land's right there. I don't want to lose everything.